Hello, in this video I'll provide comprehensive answers to frequently asked questions about the medication Klonopin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. Let's get started. What drug class does Klonopin belong to? Klonopin belongs to the benzodiazepine class of medications. These drugs are known for their calming effects on the central nervous system and are commonly used to treat seizures and anxiety disorders. The active ingredient in Klonopin is Clonazepam. Klonopin is typically available in 0.5 mg, 1 mg and 2 mg doses. The dosage is adjusted by your doctor based on your needs and response to treatment. What is Klonopin used for? Klonopin is commonly prescribed for the following conditions. Epilepsy. It is effective in controlling myoclonic, atonic, and absence seizures. Panic disorder. It helps prevent and treat panic attacks. Anxiety disorders. It is used for the short-term treatment of severe anxiety. How should Klonopin be used? Dosage adjustment. Treatment usually starts with a low dose, which can be gradually increased if necessary. Method of intake. Tablets should be swallowed whole with water. Chewing or crushing the tablets may lead to unwanted effects. Timing. Taking the medication at the same time every day ensures consistent therapeutic effects. What should you know before using Klonopin? If you are allergic to Clonazepam or other benzodiazepines, you should not use this medication. Avoid alcohol while taking Klonopin, as it can lead to serious side effects. Klonopin is not safe during pregnancy, as it may cause birth defects. It should also not be used during breastfeeding. If you have liver or kidney problems, inform your doctor before starting the medication. Which drugs interact with Klonopin? Klonopin can interact with alcohol, opioid painkillers, and sleep medications, leading to serious side effects. It may also interact with antidepressants and other central nervous system depressants. What are the side effects of Klonopin? Like all medications, Klonopin can cause side effects. Common side effects include drowsiness, dizziness, difficulty concentrating, muscle weakness. Serious side effects include difficulty breathing, severe skin rash, memory loss or loss of consciousness. If you experience any serious side effects, seek medical attention immediately. In this video, I have aimed to provide all the important details you need to know about Klonopin. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.